Hey guys, Az here at Shield Canine. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about resource guarding. Now, contrary to popular belief, resource guarding is not a learned behavior for the most part. It's primarily a genetic trait. Some lines carry it a lot. No matter what you do, you'll see the puppies exhibiting that behavior. Resource guarding is probably the most common reason that you see people getting bit. But you know what makes it worse? Conflict makes it worse. And you know how people cause conflict with their dog and food? They cause conflict by trying to fix the problem. They see a small thing, maybe the puppy's growling over the bowl or something. So you know what they do? They do stupid things like this. They do this kind of stuff. Oh, are you okay with me putting my hand in the bowl? Now, this dog doesn't have resource guarding. You know, I can touch him. He doesn't like it. You know, you can see how fast he's eating. This isn't good what I'm doing. This isn't helping him. It's not avoiding the problem. But I see so many people, they got a puppy that maybe is showing some stuff, whether it's with bones, toys, with food, and in their attempt to avoid the problem, they make it way worse. They're constantly putting their hands there. They're constantly trying to, you know, getting the dog used to you touching his stuff. But you know what you're doing? You're making his worst fears come true. He's afraid that you're gonna mess with his stuff. And what are you doing? You're messing with his stuff. The best way to address it is to prevent it. And the best way to prevent it is to reduce and remove conflict. Now, you are not gonna fix any problem by taking your dog's bones away. And I'm gonna give you guys kind of an idea just to kind of get you started down the path of how to prevent this common problem. And the biggest thing, guys, is remove and reduce conflict as much as possible. Get your hands out of the damn food bowl. There's gonna come a time when conflict is necessary, but if your dog's only interaction with you is conflict, well, you're gonna be in for one hell of a journey. Watch this clip, maybe it'll give you some ideas, and I think I'll do something more comprehensive on resource guarding later.
What's it had?
Alright guys, as I approach Mark, chip, throw a piece of food at the dog and leave. What do you think that's gonna do to him? That's gonna teach him, just because I'm approaching doesn't mean I'm approaching to take his thing away. Alright, so I'm gonna do it again, one more time. Chip. Now that doesn't solve the problem, but it sure goes a long way to start building a little bit of trust and removing some of the conflict that the dog has in relation to people approaching him when he has stuff.